What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and forgive my look right now kasi kakagising ko lang and I look ridiculous for my hair. Anyway, before I start this video, I want you to know that this video that I did was taken a couple days ago sa Trinoma. It was basically a close-up special event para sa para sa tambalang Donnie Pangilingan and Belle Mariano. It's like a commercial per se. It's like a celebration for their music video / commercial for close-up. And yeah, ang tagal ko na di ko to na So pasensya kung di ako nakapag-upload ng mga videos most frequently because there's a lack of mall shows and mall tours basically. So yeah, sana magustuhan nyo lang itong video na to, okay? Please enjoy.
Oh my gosh, holy shit! Mikey Quitos and Paul Salas! Holy fucking shit!
Heads? Charot. Eraser. Yun o! Eraser! Akala mo ba ano? Akala mo nakakatakot? Just can't forget the freshness of your eyes.
Thank you so much, grabe. I hope we can interact with everyone here and also, guys, Can't Buy Me Love. Kasama namin dyan si Miss Alora, syempre. Thank you so much, Ate Alora.
Thank you din.
Hosting. And of course, maraming salamat din po sa Close-Up family.
Nakasabi, Ling, alam namin kung nasan si Pato.
Oh,
Nasaan si Pato? Sige nga, hindi nyo alam yun eh. Maraming salamat guys sa manonood ng Can't Buy Me Love every single day. Sobrang feel namin yung support nyo and we promise you guys, mas magiging malala yung eksena in a good way. Pinagandaan namin yan, may flavor na naman ni Direct May and para sa inyo yan.
Yes!